Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay, the solver is our topic of today's presentation, and we in our previous session we showed you how to connect it to the toolbar, and when you click the button, the solver is loaded. The example of the solver to start from, right? The solver is loaded, and you have this area in which the solver brings the data from your main sheet, that is, for example, product, right? Okay, you have connected it to the product, and in which there are some 629 rows of the product, 28 if you exclude the title bar. Yeah. So these are the products. They have the list prices. Each item has a certain price, and you want solver to come up with a certain selection of you want to do this job. You want a solver to do the job for you, to select the products, the total of which is equal to the target. The list price total is equal to the target which you have mentioned, and this is this 35 is actually the size of it. This is the size of the array, that means which the solver use. Solver does not directly use this. Actually, it uses this, right? Portion, the 35 rows or whatever the number of rows you choose. At the moment, it is 35 rows, like this, yeah, 35 rows. And you can change it, means you can make it 100. You can obviously means that is going to take long for the user to, for the solver to come up with the selection. Anyway, so and here is the mechanism in which it mm, randomly, it uses the random function to randomly choose the item, right? And when the item is chosen, its product name is looked up. And through the lookup, it will comes the product ID comes in here, and its price, and the price is then as soon as the solver uses one in here, it is selected and it goes here. So as soon as this becomes zero, that means all the selections have been done, right? So let's get it back to zero. Okay. So this is our target, that we want 300, and out of the using the 35 uh, size of the array, right? And in which we want the selection to be for example, equal to 10, right? The 10, so 10 items we want to be selected, right? And this 2 is related to the equal to right here. Okay, okay. So these all are linked to our procedure, and then it occurs. So let's run it, and let's see that which of the 10 products are selected by the solver, and uh, mm, how long it takes. Okay, so we have also, in for our future enhancement, we would like to or keep a record of all the selection of the all the activities of the solver log, means telling you that the selection criteria was this, it is automatically taking it like this. Okay, so you don't have to do this. You don't have to only a the yellow cells are changing. Are you the users supposed to make the change? That's it. The rest the are used by the system. Okay, so let's start it and let's see which of the products are being selected by the solver. So it is bringing, keeping an eye that you need the size of 35 to be the basis of the solver selection. So once it is here, now it is, you can see on the bottom left corner is it is attempting to solve your selection. So the solution, the top solution and the sub solution, and it's working rigorously. If a man is does it, it is going to take much long. But the this is the beauty of the solver, that it quickly comes up with your desired selection of the products. Right? So it can be used for a number of uh, uh, circumstances, a number of situations in which you want system to choose the selection. So to be unbiased, and you will say that this is what a sort of a lucky draw or something like this. So in this example, the situation is that you are maybe making a parcel of 10 exactly 10 items from our item list, and these are going to be used to make a parcel for a gift pack or something like this. Okay, so which one? So the system is selecting it uh, for you, right? So let's see this as soon as it's completed. So this is the result of the solver. It has come up with a selection of 10 products with the target of the list price $305, and uh, it has uh, highlighted the selected ones here, right? It has highlighted the selected ones, right? So in the next video, we will further make the enhancement in it, that the log is maintained, even the at start on and finished on is also in, uh, stamped, time is stamped. So, and we get the uh, the time took taken. So that is, we say the minutes. So example minutes. So the minutes, for example, we say that this now in here, right? Okay, so this is the time, okay, and we format it as a date and time. Simple custom format, and we make it a date and time, for example, yeah, hour and minute, or we can use this, for example. Okay, so hour, minute, and this, or we can use, that's right. Okay, so this is our date, right? And for example, we copy it here so that we have the time. Yeah, this is the time stamp this, and this is time stamp I. And so we the system will make it like this. Will make it right, right, and that's right. Okay, so how to calculate the minutes in here? We will write text. We will write the text. So this time minus that time, right? And the format we need how many hours, mm, how many minutes, for example, yeah, um, minutes, and how many seconds. Okay, minutes until minutes is fine. Okay, and we close that. So this is going to return you the value. Okay, the hour and minutes. The text is. Let me check. What is? I must be doing something wrong. I think MM. Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's right. So this is 0 hours and so this is the difference, right? Each time when you uh, put a stamp in here, you get how long it takes. So this is going to be recorded in the log, and then the any next attempt will preserve this there and will bring the next result in here, right? So this how we are going to make the enhancement in the future. We will show it. Uh, we will show you the code which is working and how you can make use of that code in your future such requirements in which you need to make automated selections. Okay, thank you very much.